this black sesame and candied orange concoction. And then we have this matcha raspberry croissant. Karen's having turmeric tea. I'm having a flat white, which what they call a cortada here in the US. And look at that. Oh wow, that looks delicious. The question is, can you actually taste the matcha? And we're going to cut this one in half too, so what's in the middle? Does it have anything inside? That's the question. Oh yeah, it does. A little bit, maybe. Like a gooey center. Like a bit of a gooey center there. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Black sesame and orange. All right. Cool. Very nice. Very good. I thought the pastry was going to be quite dry, but actually it's quite nice in the middle. Right in the center there is a matcha raspberry cream, and then this matcha that's been put through the croissant itself. So very subtle matcha flavor, but very good. There's like little bits of matcha there, but very nice. Very different flavor.
Yummy.
We've just been to Supermoon Bakery, and we had the matcha raspberry, and what's the other called?
The Kuchen Aman, but with
Kuchen Aman.
sesame and candied orange.
Yeah, with sesame and candied orange. Look, both very good, but what we've noticed is that, I mean, even though it's very good, the baking in the pastries in America, the butter isn't quite as rich as what we're used to. Probably that's a good thing, but yeah, it's just not as kind of rich in flavor, the butter. So it was very good, but I guess we're just spoilt by really good butter in New Zealand and that side of the world. So, but anyway, we're going to go to the American Natural Museum now. So we have arrived at the Natural History Museum. And Karen's going to eat some 199 hot dog. Or in Afrikaans, it's called hodog. Hodog. Yeah. Hodog. It's like hodor, but hodog. Yes. An awesome building. It's massive as well. Like, I wonder how old it is, actually. So we've just been to the American Natural History Museum. But we didn't spend too much time in there, probably a couple of hours. Yeah, I think we're not really heavily museum people. We like to see stuff and then we're like, okay, let's eat. So really, that's what's true.
It was a museum on food, I think we understand.
Yeah, I actually saw a sign that said Museum Food Court, and I thought, oh, it's a museum of food courts. And I was excited, but it wasn't. It was just a food court. So, but you know, if there was a museum of food courts, I'd be like, yeah, let's go check it out. But anyway, we're going to head to, where are we heading to now?
And I don't know if we'll be able to get a seat there or anything, so we just have to see. It's called Ivan Ramen Slurp Shop.
There you go. Ivan Ramen Slurp Shop, is it? Cool. So we are at Ivan Ramen.
Not the Slurp Shop.
Not the Slurp Shop. Our mistake, our bad. And we've decided to go with the tonkatsu, curry flour, chicken paitan, which apparently is Ivan's favourite, and the triple pork, triple garlic mazimen. After lunch, we're going to head home. We're going to do a couple of hours of work, and then we are going to come out again to find more food and stuff to do, as we usually do. So I'm having the roasted barley iced tea. It's unsweetened. It actually tastes very much like coffee. Very nice. I like it. Karen doesn't like it because she doesn't like coffee. She's not normal. I'm normal. And then this is the curry flour. It smells delicious actually. And it's got bonito flakes in there. You can see them moving as the heat hits them. See? But how is it? You tell us.
Very buttery.
Yeah? And Karen eats her chin eats as well sometimes. Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah? You like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
I guess the question is, would you recommend ordering it?
Yeah, the butter is quite rich.
Okay.
It's massive.
What? Yeah, it's massive, see? Let's be giving you a size comparison with my hand. And the beef tongue has arrived. Now that looks delicious. I love beef tongue, especially when it's done well. It's a Wagyu beef tongue, so hopefully it's a
The very
fatty.
spicy mustard.
Yeah, very spicy mustard and soy sauce dipping sauce type thing. So let us know what you think. Good? Would you recommend ordering this? Okay.
People are skeptical about eating tongue. It doesn't taste like tongue.
Well, I like tongue. I mean, cooked well, tongue tastes like a really tender piece of meat, quite flavorful.
Katsu.
Yeah, look at that.
Katz.
Oh yeah, so it's like a katsu kind of crumb on it. Yeah, good. All right. This is the triple pork. It's a dry one. And this one is the chicken paitan. So we just finished at Ivan Ramen. It was very good ramen. The
It's very, very good.
the chicken one, the chicken, what is it called? Chicken paitan was very, very good. The stock, it's all about the stock with ramen, you see. I mean,
Of course, like,
the broth.
because they put a raw egg yolk in there and you mix it in there, it becomes quite creamy and rich.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah, so the egg
the
yolk.
flavour is nice. And you also get a side of wine. Which is
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah, so the egg yolk kind of made the broth a little like have a thick creamy feel, which is really nice. And then the broth in itself was already really nice and savory, so it was fantastic. And then the dry noodle we had, the triple pork, triple garlic, was also very good. Yeah, it was fantastic, and I thought it was definitely recommend going there. This is a matzo ball soup,
And then she's like,
and this is the knish, and this is the pastrami sandwich. Open it up and show us. Look at that. That's amazing.
that's a sandwich.
So yeah, look, do you think? Good? So, let us know what you think of the matzo ball. Try it. Yeah. I must say the pastrami was really good. Except it's really hard to eat in the sandwich. Like it keeps falling out. That's the problem with it. Because it's so big. How do you even contain it? You know what I mean? But hey, that's a first world problem. What do you think of the niche?
I like it. It's my favourite. It's almost like a potato croquette with the harder outside.
Yeah. So this is what the matzo ball looks like inside. It's actually very nice. There's something comforting about it. The flavor's not hugely strong. It's not like a big explosion of flavor in your mouth. But it's damn delicious. We really didn't need the other things. One sandwich can feed 2 people easy, to be honest. With the amount of meat in there, I mean, I'd probably say there's probably 350 grams of meat in there. How much meat was in there? At least 300 something grams of meat in there. Massive.
Very good though.
They put bread on it just to contain the meat. I don't think anyone cares about the bread. The bread is there literally just to contain the meat, you know? Like, yeah. Well. So Karen is now starting to get full. See, she's done well, look. Look at that. So Karen starts to have laboured breathing.
He says I'm breathing heavily, but I'm breathing heavily because I'm sick.
No. It's because you're full.
And because I'm full.
But yeah, so I mean, it's been very good. I mean, the potato quiche, the soup.
I wish I had space to try the beef sandwich and the Reuben as well.
Yeah. But the sandwiches are so big. I mean, they are literally so big. I mean, I don't understand. Yeah, you just can't. Yeah, you just can't.